How to see Snapchat Spotlight history on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and now in order to see the Snapchat Spotlight history option, tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and further scroll down in the menu and you will see the Spotlight and Snap Map tab. Scroll through the Spotlight feed to find your submitted snaps. If you want to see specific insights, tap on the My Spotlight section if available for you, where you can see how your snaps are performing. If you want to see stats like views or engagement, tap on the individual snaps you have submitted. So, this is how you can see Snapchat Spotlight history on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.